It's all about doing the bootstrap boogie. We put this run together here, Marcy and I, and because we just want one of the chickens to get a little time outside, but they're a little skittish still from the move. So, but we still got it. I'll show you how it looks here. So this run that came with it had this door, so we just used that, and some of this lumber here. So we got some chicken wire with it. This door had some chicken wire, that back panel, and then, as I mentioned in another video, we had this chicken wire. We have rolls of it, just a lot, and we have plenty left over just with this roll alone to do whatever else we want in the future. But yeah, got the walk down. All the snow keeps falling. I got nailed earlier when I was inside there because it's a little lower on that side. We went with the roof line of the coop here. All right. So I have sensed. Why did I say sensed? I don't know. I've sensed since yesterday. Got laryngitis. But yesterday I managed to put this on here so the chickens can get out, and we'll see how they like it. I put this little hook here, and it works really well, but it's kind of hard to hold the camera.
I'll hold the camera.
So this is the next day, as I mentioned, and they were able to come out yesterday for a little while. We're gonna see if they come out again today. We got some snow, a little bit of snow last night.
Yeah,
So
right.
I'm not sure if they're gonna want to come out. We'll see. So they came out for a little bit. Sorry about my voice. I lost a little bit of it. I don't know what's going on there. I have to drink some tea here. But they did come out for a little bit, and it's really cold. There's some sleet and stuff, so I'd rather just like keep the door shut and warm them up. I had to split some logs, and we had to make a fire here. So we're trying to stay warm in the house. The temps are going to drop significantly. So you guys stay warm, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, buddy. Do you dance? This is the BOOTSTRAP. Oh yeah.